Listen, I love chatting to you. I'm so silly. Hi guys, in this vlog I'm preparing my curry goat for my dinner, okay? And this is a step-by-step, so keep watching, you will learn something, right? All around the world, maybe Korea, maybe China, wherever you're watching this, in Pakistan, Dubai, wherever you're watching this from, I say thank you. Okay, I'm gonna make goat meat today. So yeah, anyway, all this chit chat, let's get into this cooking, okay? Because I haven't got all day. Let's get this meat cleaned up and seasoned. I think I need to make some green seasoning as well. I have green seasoning, but it's frozen, so I either could leave it in the freezer, and then when I'm cooking it tomorrow, I just take it out of the cube. Okay, so this is the meat. This is goat meat, okay? You call it curry goat, man. So meat looks really nice. So it looks really cleaned up as well. I haven't got much to clean. I don't like it when it has the fat on it. Well, I must say they cleaned this up really well. Yeah, it cleans up really well. Not a lot of fat on it. Okay guys, this is the mutton. As you see, I am squeezing all of this into it. I'm going to take the seeds out in a moment. Your white vinegar, because you remember you have to wash your meat. You gotta wash your meat. You gotta wash your meat. You could be wondering how many vinegar you must use. Use at your own discretion. Okay, so now it's in the water. I think it's soaked long enough now, so I'm just gonna just draining it off now. That's my, so let's put our seasoning in it. So I've got some seasoning here, I'm putting some coriander as well inside of it as well. So I would say like a teaspoonful. Go again with my herbs. Peppers there. And a lot of people don't make curry goat with carrots. They just use potatoes, but I do like carrots in my curries. I don't know why, but I do. Okay, so I'm just chopping up some ginger. I cannot eat my non-meat at all, no meat or juice without ginger. Okay, I have garlic, which I am gonna chop up. So this is just gonna go marinate overnight. So I use 4 cloves of garlic. Please don't say in the comments, no, it's too much. Listen, remember, I'm not. Remember, spring onion. Remember, I told you I have my blended seasoning in the freezer. So tomorrow, when I'm cooking it, I will show you. I will take out a cube and put it in the pot. But for now, I'm just gonna put this in there overnight so that I get that nice aroma and smell. Got some thyme that I'm washing it now at the moment. Just washed it, and I'm gonna chop it all up and stick it in there. Thyme looks really good, nice and fresh too. Yeah. So all of this now is gonna go in here. Everything. Ta-da! Alright. Everything's gonna go in here. I could use my hands, but I just don't want to. But I can hear you in the comment section going, you must use your hand. You must use your hand. And your hand you feel you. I can hear you screaming in the comment section. I seriously can hear you screaming. So you know what? Let me use my hands. There you go. I hope you're all happy. I'm doing this for you, okay? Ah! This meat is like... Right. I'm gonna put my... I bring this up from Jamaica, guys. You can tell how it's in the bag like this, yeah? I brought it up from Jamaica. Not gonna use a lot to overpower my stuff. But yeah, you can see the bag. Big up to the lady at Maple Market who sell me this fermenter. I forgot your name. But respect. Bit of olive oil on my meat before I cook it. So can you see it? Yeah. So I just have to pour a little bit over it. So it just, you know, I don't know why, but it's just something that I always do when I cook. So it loosen up the meat because it's just so stodgy. So it will just. And leave it to marinate for overnight, and then tomorrow I make it. I'll cook it. Okay, let me wish you all a good night, sleep tight, and I'll see you tomorrow. I love you. Tomorrow it's midnight and everybody in the house is sleeping. I am tired. I'm going to bed. My kitchen is a mess. And then I will cook this tomorrow and you will see it, what I cook. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up now and say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Listen, if you make curry goat before, just tell me what I'm doing wrong, okay? Because this is not something that I make a lot. So tell me what I'm doing wrong. I don't know, maybe I'm doing everything right, but we are not perfect. Not perfect. So let me know what I'm doing wrong.